review. This is basically what is on my phone, okay? Now, first of all, I will note that if you look at this, it is running Nova, okay, the Nova browser, which I will quickly prove that to you. These are the settings. There is the settings for Nova. So if I click on the Nova settings, these are all the Nova. Now, I am obviously using the free version, so these are all the options you get. Now, I didn't know this, but I thought Nova was just Nova. That was it. That's your lot. That's all you get. But you can change the UI, as in the theme of it. If you go to this one, to that one with the little artist pad on it, you click on that. And then you click on that one, themed icons there, and you click on it and you get them. Now I installed that one there, the stock one, and the Nova one come with it, and the other two I got. They're both free as well. And basically, if we go back to the main menu, you will see that is what the icons look like now. I like these icons, but I don't like the icons too much where they have the picture and then they have a white box around the, right border. But I live with that. Okay, that is the launcher that I have on it. That's a launcher I have on it. Just to quickly show you, that is a launcher I have on it. Now, if I go to, say, that one, and I click on this, if I click on this, it comes up with that. Oh, shit. It'll come up with that. Now, if you click on this button here, which I'll show you quickly, this button here, that one there, the crosshairs, if you click on that, you can add more of these, okay? You can add more of them, okay? And the tick, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a tick just there. If that means that is your home screen, so you can change that tick to whatever one you want to be your home screen. Okay, let's go to Google now. This is Google now. This is Google now, as you can see. And we will type in here. And that is my keyboard. It is swiftkey. And I'll quickly show you the settings for swiftkey. Okay. Now there are two Swift keyboards. There are two. There's the free and the paid for version. Then there's the free tablet version, and there's the free, and then there's the paid for one. Now I paid for mine. Now when you get the free version, you get everything the paid for version gets. The difference is the free version will expire, so it's only a trial version. Okay, that is basically it there. There, click on that. And then you get all the options. Okay. Now, there's the flow feature, which is, now I'll go to my go add me on Twitter if you want. Okay, now this is the flow feature. Watch. Gonna try and get this for you. Look. See? That is the flow feature. Okay. Well, you can add words to it. Okay. That is the flow feature. Okay, that is the flow feature. Now, there's themes. These are all the themes that are on it. These are all the themes. I like the pumpkin one the best. But if you like another one of these, obviously the pumpkin one is the one I use, which is at the bottom. Now this is very interesting. This is very interesting, this bit. Okay, that bit. Okay. It basically says, learn from Facebook, learn from Gmail, learn from Twitter, learn from RSS feeds, and learn from SMS. And basically what it does is, it learns what you type on all these networks, and it says and it says hey. That's what it is basically. So that's what it does. There's more things in there. Okay, there are more stuff in there you can do, and if I move it up, there's more. Okay. How does the keyboard look? This is the keyboard. Now, I'm going to go like this. Okay. Oh, by the way, I've turned the sound off, so you can't actually. You can also hear this. Look. That's the noise it makes. You don't have to have that noise if you don't want to. You don't have to have that noise. So just bear in mind, you don't have to have that noise. It does also, before people freak out, it does at the bottom there, if you can see that, just there, it does still have the microphone. So don't freak out and say, oh my god, why did I get that keyboard if it doesn't have the thingy. Do you want me to show the other themes? I'll show you the themes quickly. Okay, we'll go from the top of the list. Okay, we'll go from the top of the list, and that is the first theme you get on it. That is the theme you get on it when you buy the keyboard. When you first get the keyboard, that is the theme you get on it. Okay. The next one is a black sort of theme. That one you get a basically black keyboard. You know, very simple. Okay. The next one is sort of bluish sort of theme, which is that. Which I think that looks kind of nice. That one looks kind of nice, but that's that one. Oh, you can also put emoticons. If you hold that down. Oh, wrong one. If you hold that down, you get a load of emoticons to use. Thought to show you that. The next one is this one, which is the next one you will see. That one's quite nice as well. That one's quite nice as well. You know, it's not too in your face, as it were. The next one is the berry. That's the berry one. That's the berry one. Then if we go up to Sky, this one's actually called Sky, and that's basically what it looks like. That's what the keyboard looks like. Basically, the features don't change when you get the when it looks different. It just looks different. So all the features will still be the same. Then we'll go to this one next, which has got a pink sort of. It looks the same. It's just got a pink background. So there's that one as well. Do follow me on Twitter, by the way. I don't mind if you follow me on Twitter. Okay. Then there's this one. Then there's this one. Which is, I would say that's more. If you've ever used a Nexus phone, it's sort of a Nexus style, that one. Sort of a Nexus style one, that one. Let's go to the next one. This is Dark. This one's called Dark. Now, anybody notice what I notice on this Dark theme? Doesn't that look at it, doesn't that look sort of BlackBerry-esque? Doesn't it? Looks sort of, so if you've just come from a BlackBerry phone, get that keyboard and get it on that. Because, yeah, it works very well. Okay. What next? The next theme is this one. That is the next theme. Is the next one. I think that that is the nearest I have found. That one looks a bit iPhone-ish. You know, iPhone-ish. It's not really, but it does remind me a bit of iPhone. Then we have this one. This is a bit like the pumpkin. That one. There's that one. See that? That's that theme. See, there's a lot of themes on this one. And then there's the one I prefer, which is the last one, which is this one. This is my favourite one, actually. That's my favourite one, the pumpkin. That's my favourite one, and it's the one I use. just doing video on YouTube. And there you go, that's what I just typed in. Now, if you want a hashtag, there's two ways to get it. There's there, as you can see it's there, on the S, or you can simply go to there, and it's on there as well. All the keys with orange and white on it, the white is the ones you press down to get the other key. So if I press this, the @ sign, it comes up with that. Can you see that? Comes up with that, and then it comes up. Okay. Also, which I will dearly note, is you also do get a lot of different options like arrows and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Now, also another thing you need to know is anybody that uses Appy Geek, this is the new layout to Appy Geek. That there is now Appy Geek. That is now Appy Geek. They have changed the look. I say, okay, I don't like it for one reason. Is a simple reason is it. I don't know. Is it me? But now the top one easy to read. But is it me or is the next one down where the background's the same colour? Isn't that hard to read? Only complaint I have about the new thingy. I also do have BBC News up there as well, which is kind of cool. Okay, now another thing on this launcher, which I will show you quickly, is there's two there. Okay, see, easy. All you do is you hold it down, and sorry. What did I? Oh no, I didn't. Yes, I did. Okay. What have I just done? Yeah. What you do is you basically swipe it from that way, and I'll try and do it for you. Look, see, swipe, 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 and swipe, and it does that. And basically, that's it. That's basically it, really. All I can say is that another thing about this is now the background actually goes with this. Look, see, now watch. See the rainbows there? Now you can't even see the rainbow. Easy as pie. So yeah, that's basically what it does. That's basically the two things I have just used. The launcher is Nova launcher. There's a free one or paid for one, depending on which you want. And there's also a free trial version of the keyboard, and then there's also the paid for version. So whichever one you want, you can get. So I'll see you next time.